Okay, so I've just gone long. That little blue line there is my long in the Dow. We've waited 15 minutes till after the data is out. Just looking to see if this support can hold and give us a run into just this support up here. I'm going to put it under 200 for the moment, and obviously I'll adjust that if we start to see that hold. So at the moment this is the opening 5-minute range, you can see there. Okay, beginning to get a little bit of a pop here. Beginning. 15 minutes is actually bearish, but holding. Bearish from the point of view it's a lower close, not bearish from the point of view it's a sell signal. So we've got an hour and 45 minutes of trading till the close. You could of course just grab 20 points because we're hitting a little bit of resistance up there already. But let's just see, let's give it a little bit of time to see if this can pick up. Not risking that much capital. If I can get a bit of a buffer, then I can get a stop to break even. Not taking too big a position, so it's just relaxing just to sit here and just see if this is able to work. Any questions? I don't ordinarily look at very small time frames like this. I only look at a 2-minute chart when you've got a lot of volatility in a situation like this. But we've been patient to wait for 15 minutes. You're not in, okay. Got a little bit of a buffer. If you're not in this, one option might be to trade small size if you see 30 again. It may come down to 30 again. Neither are you in it. Anybody else in it? Anybody else in the room in this? You obviously don't trust me. Doesn't seem as if anybody in the room's in it. Okay, well, just to make my life a little bit more relaxing, I will just put that stop. I'm just going to cover my spread there. Kids were talking to you, okay. Tell you what, I'm just going to keep that stop to absolute break even. I'm not even going to cover my spread. I'll just drop it back to break even and just sit there. So, worst case scenario, I come away with nothing. I have actually covered my spread. Look at that. I entered at 14 and my stop's at 16. I've covered my spread. So it's a free trade. A plus 45 at the moment. Is it going to stretch its legs? I hope so. It's got some congestion above. Yeah, well, it's sort of hitting levels that we previously sold at. Getting close to a 15-minute close, which will engulf the previous 15 minutes bar if we hold up here. Looking across the board, seeing some weakness in the euro. US dollar yen was an option. That's up 25 points. Pound yen's doing well. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie did well in the last FOMC. That's picked up some. Otherwise, fairly quiet. Let's look at the daily chart here. Let's remind ourselves what the daily is looking like. The 42 is a major resistance level. That's at 142, that is. A little bit of hesitancy at these highs, possibly a little bit of profit taking. So yeah, it's definitely struggling. I mean, to really get going, obviously we've got to close above at least 80. I'll stop the recording and kick this off again a little bit later. Okay, so I'm plus 62 at the moment, just locking in a little bit of profit. If we can close above 75, that'll be useful. It's where we previously sold on the. This is resistance level from the opening 5-minute range. Let's see if that can work its way up. So what have I left on the table? I've left, we've got a high of 85, I got a stop of 40, so I've left about, so far I've left 40 quid on the table. Is that right? Let me just see, 40, I've left 80 quid on the table, £80 on the table. and see if we can hold up here. And then I will make a decision about my stop and target. A bit boring, guys, isn't it? Pullbacks are getting bought. Just a question of whether we can get a decent leg up now. So we're breaking the highs of the range at the moment. 15 minutes is obviously looking good. That's a nice 15-minute bar. Just a question, right? At this stage, I'm just going to ramp the stop up, just to see if I'll sit here and give it all back. Let's go to just wait and see where we're going to close here on this 2-minute chart. What have I done? Okay, so moved it a little bit higher. Let's just see if I can hold. It's getting a little bit flaky up here, so let's just see if it can start to get a bit of an impulse move. We are hitting the previous highs up here. So what am I, plus 65 at the moment. Right, we've closed above the range. Forex is fairly quiet. The US dollar yen's not done much. Euro's dropped 50-60 points. The Forex is fairly quiet. Are you guys still watching this, or have you got bored watching? Still watching, okay. It's slowing down. Has this got the puff to really start to break up? Not sure, but we'll soon find out. Perhaps seeing a lot of profit taking. A little dip may signify we're ready to push. Because we are sort of watching paint dry really in a small time frame. I'm just going to move the stop up again underneath that little push down. Let's rejected. Why? Oh, I know why. Okay, so I've locked in, what have I locked in? 53 points I've locked in. Yeah, oh, you have to go out. Okay, I'm still in this. Yeah, I'm plus 70, having locked in 53. Turn off the recording because it's going to get too long. If I just fit this, it may give us a better clue as to where this may or may not go. So this is pretty much the range of the day. So we're hitting the high of the day. 127 is here. So yes, my exit order is up there at the 161 extension on the range of the day. So let's just see if we can close above this 90 level. Okay, I'll take that fibs off now. I know where it is. They took it up to 98, so I gave back 28 points in the end. So I'm out of that now. So I will leave that. Probably not going to do anything else here. Looking across the board, not that much action elsewhere. The Forex is pretty much been left out of this. There's not, I can't see any decent moves in Forex at all. Okay, so we've been talking together for just under an hour. I'm going to leave it there. I tell you what, if you want to carry on watching this, see if we get 40 or 50. Because if you get 40 or 50, you might get another leg up. Because obviously we've had well, initially we had, where are we? So the first wave was down, second wave, that was wave 2, and this was the start of wave 3. So if we now come and see some support down here, that may give you another leg up into 150, 200, but we'll see. Okay, so we've had a couple of, in this US session we got plus 30 out of US dollar yen, and I got plus about 60 out of this. So we've done just about 100 points in the room in the US session today. Let's catch up tomorrow. Anything else you want to look at? Okay, yeah, let's go and do something else. All right, thanks guys. See you tomorrow. I'll leave it there. I'm not going to trade anymore, so I'll leave it there. see you in the room tomorrow.